Okay, we don't have the sound from the computer. Okay, something isn't right with the sound again. Oops. Default. Let's try this again. Now my microphone is okay, so I might just keep going without the computer sound. No idea what happened to that. To clean up a lot of this stuff. Do I have any sound at all? Can just jump into it, see how we go. Okay, so we popped in some Python code and JavaScript into GPT-4. Hey, GitHub Compile was good at removing the comments. So remove some comments from the code just so it's less text for the website, the OpenAI website. Now this app, we were working on it yesterday. It's some issues with it, of course. There's that text bit that doesn't appear properly, but mainly it's the detection. It's always outputting square, meant to do a fuzzy logic detection on the signal type, with or without noise. It says detection error 100%. Anyway, it's not working well at the moment. Last time we were modifying the Python code. And let's do and explain this quickly and then move to JavaScript. I think after updating Python code, we had to also update the JavaScript, which we didn't do last time. So yes, we have analyze, I think it's a post request that we are using. Wait a second, are there any templates? So template up root render template function is a Flask function that generates the web page from a template. In this case, I'm using the index HTML template. Okay, where's the index HTML? It should be working okay. Know how it has a context or not. GPT definitely does. Sure, we already loaded the index HTML and the meta tags, styling, main content, graphs. That's okay. This is the Flask, so Python code. Python script, Flask application, root signal generation, feature extraction, error, running the app. And there is a JavaScript code as well. Removed any comments from it for now. So we started this just yesterday, many of the templates in the code that we'll have to complete or remove or update. HTML template. Yeah, that's right. So I have the Python in Copilot, we have the Python HTML. Explain this. I don't quite understand how the context works for GitHub Copilot. I know GPT-4 is working better. So we have that up to output, unknown percentage. Event listeners, yes. I want to try also slash workspace. What's the structure? Yeah, it gives me array buff allocation failed. I think it's too much for it to handle. Are there any templates in the code provided above? Yep. No, that's not the type of template I meant. It's talking about the HTML template. I meant any missing script. I removed the comments from this code just so I can, so it's easier to load it into GPT-4. Which says that here's the Flask application. Yet that's not the template. I mean, any. Sorry, they're not called templates, they're called placeholders. Placeholders. Let's correct that. Placeholders. The JavaScript seems to be complete. Plotly library. Input wave. Noise amplitude. Yeah, those are IDs from HTML. Analyze endpoint. No, well, it doesn't work as expected. Any placeholders in the code? Same question about because in GitHub Copilot you have to essentially work with each file separately. GPT-4 on OpenAI website able to hold much longer context. So in the JavaScript code, function appear to be complete, but it may be considered placeholder. Well, yeah, let's check that one quickly. So it will be a generate signal. It takes input wave as the text and currently has a square, triangle, left trapezoid. Right, so it's missing stuff. Pretty sure I did add this yesterday. Meant to have all these other functions square. We actually don't have a triangle. We do have a left trapezoid. but everything else results to goes to default sine wave, so that's not cool. So we have to update this. The thing is, so we have those functions in Python code. Signal push. Okay. So in Python code, we actually define the actual waveform. It generates signal function. Do we actually have a hexagon? Yes, we do. And in the output, we should have also an unknown. And let's see if GitHub Copilot can just fix this for us, because one thing, we don't have a triangle. Switch input. Case. Left trapezoid should be the same. I actually have a triangle, we can get rid of it as well. Do we have a triangle? No. Ah, no, okay, now I remember it. Left trapezoid. Sine is default. And that still doesn't work. Anyway, they might not be doing much development today. The idea is for you to select the input wave. It does a fuzzy logic, which we also need to fix. It's essentially have three membership, a function based on peak sharpness and symmetry, and then it meant in the output here detect the input a waveform based on just looking at some data points and feeding them into the fuzzy logic threshold set, and it also will give you a detection error rate and the amount of unknowns. So when the noise is much larger, it would not be able to detect the original signal. So we didn't have much time today. We'll continue this tomorrow. So join in, have fun. See you later.